Now I nest the match function within an index function. You can get correct result to match function by combining or nesting it within an index function. To return employee ID in this cell, active this cell, click index function. Select this argument, click OK. In reference box, select the cell references range. Active this cell, press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. To obtain row number in row num box, click in formula bar. Enter comma. Type match function. Open bracket. In lookup value box, click this cell reference. Enter comma. In lookup array box, select the employee name cell references range. Click this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Enter comma. In match type box, type 0. After the close bracket, enter comma. Now you can see Excel has extracted row number 9 in row num box by using match function. Employee ID numbers are in column 2. So type 2 in column num box. Press tab key. In reference box, you can see only one cell reference range. So type 1 in area num box. How does formula work? Match function looks up the value of cell reference F6 in the cell references range. That value is then used as a row number in index function. Then index function returns the value from column number 2. Click OK. You have employee ID of employee name call. You can get correct result by combining match function within an index function. So you are not restricted to extract value in index function from first column and first row of data table as like in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions.